आज के WhatsApp पे we learning the moonwalk with Cycle Jackson and playing the field with Royal Challengers Bangalore.
Hey, what's up? This is Cindy. What's up? The voice of young Isan. My name is Cindy. It's very windy and I don't like windy. I don't know what we're talking about, but आज की headlines. Sachin Tendulkar's wax museum has been unveiled. Aye, let's ask youngsters what they think about this.
I'm really happy because he's a very good cricketer and he's really nice and India loves him a lot. So
Okay, what is he also known as? उसका दूसरा नाम क्या है?
no idea.
What to do with cricket? Cricket के साथ ही उसका नाम है ऐसा कुछ.
Cricket? No idea. Bat or ball or something like that.
उनका नाम actually is Master Blaster, man. How can nobody know this? Is that a joke? Did you know that?
No.
You could have said yes and saved all of us, but now all guys are going to think लड़कियों को कुछ नहीं मालूम. Anyway, you guys go check out the first story of the day, जो है about Michael Jackson and how his moonwalk is being reinvented or something. I don't know. I have to watch the story. Come, let's go watch it.
Alright, I've heard that there's a very nice choreographer inside at the bar, so I'm just gonna go and check her out and learn some moves from her, yeah? So come. Hey, what's up, baby?
Who the hell are you?
I'm Cycle Jackson. I've just come to India to learn some moonwalking, baby.
So, what do I do about it?
Let's do it. Alright, Youngistan, get ready to learn some moonwalking with Cycle.
And Suzanne. Here we go. Just lift the heels up and then slowly drag the right foot behind. Lift the right heel up and place the left heel down and slowly drag the left.
This is good. Alright, Suzanne, I think you've been really nice to me and everything. And I know I'm not an Indian, but you've still been nice to me. So, since you've taught me so many moves, it's my turn to teach you my moves. Are you ready for it, baby?
Yeah?
Let's do it, baby.
For sure.
This one's by a very famous Hollywood dancer. His name is Yovinda.
Yovinda.
Alright, so this step is by a very famous international Hollywood star. His name is Nagarjuna, snake charmer, like this. A step by a very famous Hollywood star. His name is Money Dale.
Money what?
Money Dale, because he's earning a lot of money in Hollywood. Yara, oh Yara, Are you ready to go to the moon with me?
Yes.
Online dating sites बहुत ही समझदार हैं, alright? You know why? Because they have listed one of the most important things on their site, and that is odor, मतलब smell. Because you might have the same interest, यार. I like the same shoes. मेरे को भी छोटे socks अच्छे लगते हैं. Yes, even I like pink underwear. Yes, just like you. But अगर आपका partner is stinky, what are you going to do? Let's go ask youngsters. How important is it to smell good? Let's sniff.
Yeah, it's important. It can be a complete turn off if she doesn't smell.
It's very important because it's a total turn on if it's a good one, and it's a total turn off if it's a bad one. Like body odor sucks, really. So you should use good perfumes, deos.
Of course, it is very important because it reflects my personality and hygiene. And of course, it's a turn on for guys. So, अभी ये smell कौन पहन रहा है? आप पहन रहे हैं कि ये पहन रहा है? कौन पहन रहा है? Me. So how does she smell?
She smells good.
All right. Bye guys. Alright, so I think they're very happy with smelling good and hygiene are good points, yeah. Anyway, you guys go check out our second story of the day.
IPL 2 is nearly here, magar bad news is that is saal it's in South Africa. But never fear, because we've gone and caught up with the RCB superstars to find out how they are prepping for the IPL. IPL is back, but this time it's in South Africa. Do you think it's going to be the same magic like playing last time?
It can't be like India. You can't compare India to any other place.
Well, it could be a different atmosphere, different scenario. You see, it is like Bollywood going to Hollywood.
मैं तो ये चाहूँगा कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हिंदुस्तानी वहाँ पहुँचे और उत्साहवर्धन करे क्रिकेटरों का.
Last year RCB ने ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं किया था. Do you think this time things are going to be different?
For sure, 100%. I'm very sure about it.
Like coming off Kevin Pietersen and JC Riders, two most aggressive players, we have been working out, building muscles and all.
Show me your muscle. अगर मुझे IPL में खेलना, मुझे क्या-क्या सीखना पड़ेगा?
पहले तो बैट पकड़ने सीखना पड़ेगा. मेरे को लगता है तुम्हें बैट पकड़ना आता होगा.
How do I hold a bat?
You need to just put the bat down and pick it up as you want to. That's your grip.
Teach me, please. आप बहुत स्विंग करते हो. स्विंग कैसे करते हैं बॉल को? ऐसा, ऐसा, ऐसा.
ऐसे जैसे अभी पकड़ा ऐसा, ऐसा.
तो मुझे मिलेगा, आप मिस्टर माल्या से बात करेंगे, मुझे बॉल गर्ल कुछ करूँगी.
जरूर जरूर सब बातें करेंगे, सब पूरी टीम बात करेगी आपके.
So what is your message to the fans of RCB?
Just keep cheering, please.
Really loudly, very very loud. IPL इस मिट्टी पे खेला नहीं जाएगा, मगर RCB के practice sessions देखने के बाद I think we're gonna win the IPL. मगर last year also I thought the same thing, but who knows?
This is called a moonwalk. Did you know that? I obviously have it at my birthday parties, and I don't know why I don't have them anymore. Anyway, क्या आपको मालूम था? According to a poll, I don't know ये कौन सा poll है. Maybe poll by people who are on Frida Pinto's payroll. Oh, how can I say that? But basically, this poll said कि Frida Pinto is in the running for being one of the most beautiful women in the world, in the universe. ये क्या मजाक है क्या? I mean, what about me, man? What about the rest of the women in the universe? Hello. Anyway, now let's go check out Pepsi MTV WhatsApp poll of the day, because that is the actual voice of Pakistan.
Sorry बानी, really sorry आपको इंटरप्ट किया. We'll get to the poll, लेकिन उसके पहले कुछ बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट आपको बताना है. आज से इफेक्टिव एज ऑफ राइट नाउ फेसबुक के लिए कंप्यूटर नहीं चाहिए, इंटरनेट नहीं चाहिए. For the first time ever, Tata Indicom brings you Facebook on SMS. तो सिर्फ SMS के through you can check all your stuff out on Facebook through Tata Indicom and only on Tata Indicom. I'll tell you more about this कल के शो पे. अब के लिए check out the Pepsi MTV WhatsApp poll of the day.
For Indian economy to boom, we require young and dynamic leadership. But many of the candidates contesting for the forthcoming elections are senior citizens. So we ask you, should there be an age bar for contesting for elections? SMS HIYA now to 56882 and let us know the voice of Youngistan. कल हमने आपसे पूछा था, do you think Sachin is the greatest sportsman produced by India? 82% ने कहा हाँ यार, Sachin जैसा कोई नहीं. 18% ने कहा ना, India has definitely produced better sportsmen before.
Okay, before these girls run away, let me ask them fast. What is happening in their life? Because it's live mail. What's happening in your life?
I want to abuse this guy, Shiv Arora. He's my friend's ex.
She's like freaking out there.
Yeah, she's there. And we hate him. We hate him. He's a
And that's currently what is happening in youngsters' lives. Alright, what's his name?
Shiv Arora.
Shiv Arora. If you have something to say, आप कुछ कहना चाहते हैं in rebuttal to this, please email us at whatsapp@mtvindia.com and hopefully you can voice your views. Okay, really some like issues are happening. It's not my fault. You said it. Yeah, for all you sane people out there, if you're in the age group from 13 to 18, here's the chance why you should say yeah. Because Scooty Teen Diva India International 2009 is coming back. What do you have to do to register? Because this is a great opportunity to find you in you. Yes, that makes sense. All you have to do is log on to msnindia.com/teendiva. And don't forget to email us at whatsapp@mtv.com. Yeah, you got that? Alright, cool. See you guys later. Bye.